Hey guys, welcome to vtechacademy.com, and today in this presentation we are going to derive a basic algebraic formula. So in our previous video we have already derived a formula of a plus b into a minus b. So in this presentation we are going to derive a formula to multiply large expression. For example, here we have a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this product of expressions will be very confusing and difficult. So in order to overcome this confusion, now let us derive a formula by just multiplying both the expressions. So now let us multiply the individual terms a, b, c with the whole group. So we can write this as a into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And by multiplying b with the group, we can write as b into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And now by multiplying the terms we get a cube plus ab square plus ac square minus a square b minus abc minus a square c. And coming over to the next term, by multiplying b with the group we get a square b plus b cube plus bc square minus ab square minus b square c minus abc. And in the last term, by multiplying c with the group, we get a square c plus b square c plus c cube minus abc minus bc square minus ac square, and try to cancel the similar terms with opposite signs. So we observe that there are two terms of ab square and minus ab square, so let us cancel them. Then we have the next term as ac square and minus ac square, so let us cancel them. And the next term minus a square b and plus a square b also get cancelled. Then we can cancel over the terms minus a square c and plus a square c. And then we have the next term bc square and minus bc square, so let us cancel them. So then we can cancel over the terms minus b square c and plus b square c. So let us write over here the remaining terms. So we have here a cube plus b cube plus c cube. And now let us add minus abc terms. So here we have 3 minus abc terms. So by adding we get minus 3abc. So therefore we can conclude that a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now let us try to solve an example over here. So we have here 3a plus 2b plus c into 9a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 6ab minus 2bc minus 3ca. So let us write this expression in the form of formula a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So we get this as 3a plus 2b plus c into, now let us write 9a square in the form of a square. So we can write this as 3a whole square. Now let us write 4b square in the form of b square. So we get here 2b whole square plus c square minus 3a into 2b would come as 6ab and minus 2b into c minus 3a into c. So now let us compare this expression with the formula. We get a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So we know that the formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So by comparing we get the value of a is equal to 3a, b as 2b and c as c. So now let us write this in the form of formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we get here 3a whole cube plus 2b whole cube plus c cube minus 3 into 3a into 2b into c. So now by simplifying we get here 3a whole cube as 27a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube minus, and the product of 3 into 3a into 2b into c would come as 18abc. So this is how we derive a formula for a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Hope you understood the presentation. Refer to more videos on basic algebraic expression on our website vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.